Okay.
And here's Dave's Apple I. It's been fully restored to 100% functionality. We're going to go ahead and do a quick test here. So the monitor is powered on and warmed up. We're going to go ahead and flip the power on. Get the normal garbage screen on the monitor, hit clear, reset, get the monitor prompt, and then we can type a memory address in, and you see that it's working. Everything's original. The power supply was not along with it, so this is a new power supply, but it's using the stand cord transformers that were recommended in the original documentation. It's mounted to the board with a fuse and switch up here. Right now, just for testing purposes, also we have a fan blowing over top of the power supply to keep things cool. Everything's original. We did replace this large capacitor. It's date appropriate. We replaced this voltage regulator. That's also date appropriate. Everything else is the original pieces that were in the machine when Dave bought it. This is using an Apple II or II Plus keyboard, ASCII keyboard, and I think that's all we have to say about it right now. We can show a demo of a quick test program later if you want to do that, but there it is.
Okay, well, thank you very much. And the test program loads through the serial port?
We can load a quick one through the keyboard actually that dumps all of the ASCII text to the key, and it just takes a few minutes to do that, so we can do that one.